we move on to the another exercise 3.4. The first question asked is find the common factors for the following numbers. Find the common factors of 20 and 28, 50 and 25, 35 and 50, and 56 and 120. Actually, we know what you mean by factor, right? Factor we have already discussed in our last videos. Okay, factors plural. Okay, factor is nothing but a number which we can multiply with another number to get this particular number. Okay, still we want to understand it furthermore. Sir, I am not understanding. Okay, I will tell you in another way. Now factors we write for 20. First we write factors for 20. Okay, with what numbers you multiply to get 20. These numbers are called factors for 20. Understand? These numbers are called factors for 20. For example, okay, 1 into 20 equal to 20. True? So 1 is a factor, 20 is a factor. Right? 1 comma 20. Then 2. 2 into what equal to 20? 2 into what number equal to 20? Obviously 10, right? So 10 is a factor, 20 is a factor. So 2 and 10. Okay. Then 3 into what number equal to 20? Any number? No. Because in 3 table 20 will not come. Likewise 4 into what number equal to 20? 4 into 5 equal to 20. So both numbers 4 and 5 are factors for 20. So 4, 5. Likewise, you need to check for 6 table, 20 will not come. 7 table, 20 will not come. 8 table, 20 will not come. 9 table, 20 will not come. 10 table, 20 will come. But we have already written this. 2 into 10 equal to 20. The same way 10 into 2 equal to 20, right? So 10 is already written here. So we leave 10. 11, 20 will not come. 12, 20 will not come. 13, 20 will not come. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here in 20, 20 into 1 equal to 20 will come. But here already written 1 into 20. In maths I already told you A into B equal to B into A. Okay. So only these are the factors for 20. Now you understand the concept? Likewise, we do factors for 28. 1 into 28 equal to 28, right? So 1 will be factor, 28 will be factor. Likewise, 2 into 14 is equals to 28, or 14 into 2 equal to 28. So 2 will be factor, 14 will be a factor. Next 3. 3 table 28 will not come. 4 table 28 will come. 4 into 7 equal to how much? 6 4s are 24. No, 4 table, right? 4 into 8 equal to 28, right? 4 into 8 equal to 32, right? So 28 in 4 table, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28. So 4, 7. Both are factors for 28 because 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Then 5 will not come, 6 will not come, 7, no, 8. 7 into 4 equal to 28. 7 we have already written, so we need to exempt that. In 8 table 28 will come or not? 8 into 3s are 24. Okay, 8 table will not come. Likewise in 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. 12, no. 13, no. 14, in 14 table, 14 into 2 equal to 28, but we have already written this. So leave 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, no. Likewise, if you go only 28 into 1 equal to 28, so we have already written that. So these are the factors for 28. Now they asked the common factors. Which are the common factors that are both present in 20 and 28? So 1 is a common factor where it is present in both. 20, no. Then 2 is a common factor. Okay. then 10 is not present here, 4 is a common factor. Okay, so the common factors are 1 comma 2 comma 4. This is the answer. The common factors for the numbers 20 and 28 are 1 comma 2 comma 4. Likewise, you need to write a statement at the end of the exam. Okay, at the end of the question in the exam. In the notes also, you have to write the same thing. The common factors for the numbers 20 and 28 are 1 comma 2 comma 4. Hope you understand that. These are very easy questions. Okay, just you need to know what is the method to solve the question, right? Okay, so the factors for 15. Factors for 15, how much? 1 into 15 is equals to 15. Then 2 table it will not come. 3 into 5 is equals to 15. So 3 should be factor and 5 also should be a factor. Then 4 table 15 will not come. 5 table already come. So I have already written 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 I have already written. Factors for 25. Factors for 25, 1 into 25 equal to 25, then 2 it will not come, 3 it will not come, 4 it will not come, 5, 5 into 5 equal to 25, so 5 I have written, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 I have written. Okay, now common factors for the number 15 and 25 are 1 and 5. So 1 comma 5 are the common factors for 15 and 25, right? Same thing. Now see, you take as a homework. Okay, why? Because these things, how much ever we do practice, then you will be capable of doing it very faster. Okay, that thing you need to do homework. Then factors for 56. Factors for 56, 1 into 56, 2 into 28, okay, then 3 it will not come, okay, then 4 into 14 equal to 56, okay, 4, 14, okay, then 5 it will not come, 6 it will not come, 7 it will not come or not. How I am telling whether 7 will not come in 56? Because you check the 7 table. 7 into 7s are 49. 7 into 8s are 56. So 7 and 8 both are factors. Why? Because 7 into 8 equal to 56. 8 into 7 is also 56. So both 7 and 8 must be factors for 56. Okay, then 9. 9 table mein, like in 9 table, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, okay, so 56 will not come, so 10, 11 5s are 55, so 56 will not come, 12 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, so it will not come, then 13, excuse me, 13 table 56, 13 3s are 39, 38 42, 14 4s are 56. So 14 4s are 56, but we already written 14. So exam that in 15 table it will not come. 16 table. Sir, how far we need to check this? Actually, you need to check this endlessly up to the number 56. Maybe in the exam it will take some time, but within the practice you will be doing much more faster. Okay. 14, 15, 16, 16 ones are 16, 2s are 32, 3s are 48, so 17, no, 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 46, 56, no, 19, 38 plus 19, 38 plus 19, how much? 48, 57, okay, so 19 table also not come, then 20 table not come, then 21, 22, 23, 28 table it will come, but 28 we have already done. Then likewise 30, 40, 50 table, 56 table, it will come 58 into 1. So these are the factors for 56. Now factors for 120. 120 there will be many factors like 1 into 120, 120 into 1, and 2 into 60, 60 into 2, and 3 into 40, 40 into 2, 40 into 3, sorry, then 4 into 30, 30 into 4, 5 into 24, 24 into 5, then 6 into 20 we have already written, sorry, 6 into 20 we not written, right? 6 into 20, 20 into 6, then 7 it will not come, 8 it will not come, 9 it will not come, 10 it will come, 10 into 12, 12 into 10, then 11, 12, 12 into 10, okay, then 13 it will not come, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, in any table it will not come apart from this. So in this just identify what are the common factors. So 1 is a common factor, then 56 is not there, 2 is a common factor, then 28 is not here, 4 is a common factor, then 14 is not there, 8, with 8 we get 120, 8, 40, yes, with 8 we will get 120. How 8 tens are 80 plus 40, 15, 8 into 15, right? 8, 15, so 8 will be also a factor. So the common factors are, I am writing here, so 1, 2, 4, 8. This will be the common factors for 56 and 120. That is how we need to solve it, okay? For the common factors, just you check in the multiplication table, okay? I hope you understand this video. This video, when it is taking much time, which means you need to practice a lot, okay? If it is taking a small time, which means you are good enough with the finding of factors, okay? Thank you.